What's up guys, TechTine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, you know how we do it here. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, please leave a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also subscribe to the channel. We're about to hit 7,000 subscribers really soon. I think we have 100 left, less than 100 matter of fact. And the 10,000 goal is also coming really soon. So yeah, keep showing your support. I would do greatly appreciate that. And also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, I'll leave the rest of my social media and then linked in the description below. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start with today's video. So today's video is actually a suggestion from one of you guys. So I had someone ask me to compare the Sprint's Stylo 4 versus the Metro PCS and T-Mobile Stylo 4. So here we are with the comparison. And really, this is not going to be a long video because the differences are really small. And there's not a lot of them. 3 of them that I could find. So let's start with design. So design, for the most part, looks identical, from the display to the camera to the materials used to the USB-C, the headphone jack, and the stylus. They're all pretty identical. The only design difference is this. So if you look at the back of the Stylo 4 from the Metro PCS, you'll find that there's kind of a pattern. It's like a line, it's like little lines that are really hard to see from the camera, even hard to see when you look at it in person. You just have to really focus hard on it. But yeah, other than that, it's like a really dark back, and that's really all there is to it. Now the Stylo 4 for the Sprint and Boost Mobile version, it does have this kind of dot pattern. So I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up. So let me try and change the angle. Can you guys kind of see it? Yeah, so yeah, I think you guys will be able to see it. So yeah, I mean, that's really it for differences in design. Not a whole lot. Other than that, it's identical, from the display quality to the resolution to the screen size, all the same. Okay, so now the second difference. So the second difference is really the processor speed. So the processor on the Stylo 4 with the T-Mobile and Metro PCS version, or Metro by T-Mobile, I guess they did rebrand. So the processor on here is a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor versus the 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. So a 0.3 gigahertz difference. I don't know how much of a difference that will make, but we can do a quick day-to-day speed test and see if it will really make a... Well, there goes that. So we can do a quick day-to-day speed test and see if it will actually make a difference. So the phone app, for example, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the Stylo 4 with the T-Mobile and Metro PCS, Metro by T-Mobile version, we'll just call it T-Mobile version for short, is a little bit faster, not a whole lot. So the messaging app, 3, 2, 1. Okay, a little bit faster on here. So there is a slight speed difference. The Stylo 4 by T-Mobile is a little bit faster, but it's not really a drastic speed difference, but it's definitely there. So yeah, the third and final difference, which I think is probably the most important one, is the carrier. So this is by Sprint and Boost Mobile, and this does support Metro PCS and Metro PCS. I keep saying it. So this does support Metro and T-Mobile. Yeah, really that's it. Other than that, the stylus is the same. They both have the same quick charge. They both have the same amazing display, the 18:9 1080p display. They both have the same front-facing, rear-facing camera. And I did a full review on the Stylo 4 and did a camera test for the Stylo 4. I'll leave them linked below right next to that like button. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I didn't want to make this video too long. I do, however, have a quick announcement. So I have the Google Pixel 3 in-house, and I am planning on making a lot of videos on it. Matter of fact, this video is being shot on the Google Pixel 3, so you guys let me know how the quality has changed. So yeah, this has been it. I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. I really do greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.